Hey guys, we back again, another video. We out here. I want to show you guys we just got a new toy so we can fat all the piping intercooler of all these cars, and let me show you guys what we got so far. I'm excited about these. So we already got it installed. I mean, everything is right, everything worked. I just started doing some how do you say that, fuck, I did some of ¿cómo que se dice esta mierda, man? So like I was saying, I just did some, I tested out. I tested 2 bits because I got the red ones for aluminum and the other type that I got over here. The red one are for aluminum. No, this one for aluminum and this one for stainless steel. So I tried both of them, and this is the one that came out with stainless steel one, and this is the one with the aluminum one. And I put my friend to try this one, but it looked like he didn't know shit. But so far so good, you know. It was dirty. I burned some oil. It was in this plate, aluminum, but it's not that bad, you can see. So I will try to do some I broke that one off to tighten it up, but I'm gonna try to do some intercooler piping for this setup. So you guys are gonna love this joint because it's gonna look like crap. It's like now it's gonna come out good. So he's working on something else. We got a lot of cars to finish it up. That one need a whole piping intercooler. That one might need a intake fab on it. You know those fog lights intake. So we're gonna do that one, but not today. The main things today is to make this piping work. And this is I'll show you guys this hatch, what's going on with it. We haven't finished it yet, but it's gonna come really good. I got my body here. So what you think about that welding machine, man? Can I do it or not? All right. Well, how about you, man? You good? This is the owner of the RSX Turbo. It's gonna be a show car and a track car too. So let's get back to the work and see you guys. So we already got the intercooler kind of mounted. This is temporary, and the bottom is kind of screwed down just to hold it, but this is a temporary to mock up the old piping. We already cut this piece, so all the intercooler piping go through around. You know, you got the idea. But so far so good. You got this shit going on, you know. This car's gonna look badass when it's finished. You will see. It's kind of sunny today. Got a good weather, so we decided to work on these coupe EG that we trying to, you know, build it just to go to the track and have fun with it. But we're trying to get it painted today. I just quickly I ran with the 180 with the disc and air compressor whole body, and then I did it again with the 800 and then 1000. Now it's just gotta tape it up and, you know, cover everything that we not want to get it painted. And so far so good. The shell is kind of not a good shape, but we're trying to make it as clean as we can, you know. It's not gonna be a show car, it's gonna be a track car, so there's no point that we spend money on time working on the body. So, but it's not that bad. I'm about to show you right now. The car is kind of prepped up already. Already give the sends done, everything's taped up. I just cover the wheels, but we're gonna put it inside right now and see how it come out. Hatch last time we finished it yesterday night. It's up and running right now. Everything worked. Only thing is missing is the hood latch, but we just gotta get another one, and, you know, that'll be a deal. And this is kind of dirty at the moment. Haven't get a shower, you know. Gotta get a clean up, and it's up for sale. It's a B series. It's a full ESR B18C and a Type R LSD transmission on it, but it got some Ricardo seats, full Type R interior. It got some XXR wheels, I guess. I'm not sure about the brand on it, but it's kind of cool. It's clean. The only thing is, as yesterday we fucked up the side skirt fender, but oh well, we can just get another one. And the color of the fenders and the pack of the rest of the body is not matching the same color, but it kind of look the same. So we're gonna let it go like this. So you know what I'm saying. So I'm about to show you the final product of the EG coupe. It didn't come out the best, but still gotta clear the bumper. I was sending it down again because it was caught in the paint, so I don't know how to say that, but it looked like a crap. It's a budget bill. See all the little spots. I was sending it down again and buff it up, you know. Only the hood, because the size on the card, it looked okay. This is a budget build, like I say. It's not a, it's not a professional. This is not a paint job, paint shop. This is just a mechanic shop. So we just did it, with the paint we had left, and